In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on Binance. Whether you still have access to your old number or not, we'll guide you through each step of this essential process. Let's dive right in and unravel this together. You might need to change your phone number on Binance for a variety of reasons. Perhaps you've got a shiny new SIM or a completely new phone number. It's also possible that you've lost access to your old number, which means updating it becomes a necessity. Some people opt to change their phone number for security reasons, ensuring their account remains as protected as possible. Now, before we start, let's discuss what happens after you change your phone number. Just so you're in the loop, Binance typically disables withdrawals and peer-to-peer transactions for 24 hours after the phone number is updated. This is a security measure, so nothing to worry about. Additionally, Binance might ask you to complete some extra verifications, which could include SMS, email, or potentially submitting some identity documents, so be prepared for that. For those of you who still have access to your old phone number, the process is straightforward. Start by logging into your Binance account. You can do this either through the app or directly via a browser, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, navigate to your profile or account settings, and from there, head over to the security section. In the security section, you'll want to locate the phone number or SMS authentication option. Look for a Manage button or an Edit icon next to your currently linked phone number and click on it. Upon doing this, you'll see a warning about how withdrawals and peer-to-peer transactions will be disabled temporarily, as we discussed earlier. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Continue or whatever equivalent option appears. Next up is the two-factor authentication, an essential step to secure the transition. Depending on your setup, you might need to verify via Google Authenticator, an email prompt, or a text message to your old number. Ensure you complete this verification step accurately. With that out of the way, you can now enter your new phone number. Double-check that you've selected the correct country code. You wouldn't want to lock yourself out because of a tiny mistake. Once you've input your new number, select Get Code to receive a verification code on that fresh number. Upon receiving it, enter the code promptly. After verifying, confirm the change, and there you go. Your phone number will be updated. Remember, as mentioned, withdrawals and P2P transactions will be temporarily disabled as a security precaution. But after 24 hours, everything will be back to normal. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your phone number on Binance. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and keep your account secure.